Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Info Edge Limited. It's a good company actually, and many of the startups are being seed funded by this company. So it's a good company and profitable company. So you can enter the stock at current market price, and the stock has shown a good range expansion right now. At current market price, it's very good to enter. We can expect a rally till 7,000 from current market price, which is around 6,000. So it's a good stock to enter currently. And look at the expansion from the range. So the stock was on the range for more than 7 months, and now the stock is bullish, so it's a good time to go long in the stock. So now let's analyze the stock on weekly basis. So look at the stock was on the rally since March 2020. Rally has given almost a 174% return. After that, the rally was stopped, and the stock was on the range bound for more than 7 months. Look at the range here. So it's a good range bound market, and after a good range bound, the stock once again showed an range expansion. So we can consider going long in the stock right now at current market price, and entering after retracement is also fine, but I think the stock may not give a retracement. So entering at current market price is very fine, so no problem in entering at current market price. So we can analyze the stock on daily basis. So before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description, and subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately. So now let's move to the daily chart. So in the daily chart, the stock is very good, and look at the bullish range breakout. So the stock is actually bullish, and the stock also broke a very short term resistance right now. Today the stock broke a resistance of a rising wedge, so it's clearly bullish. So one can expect a rally straight like this, or we can expect a rally like this also. Yeah, S type of retracement here and a rally from current market price. So it's good to go long in the stock from current market price, and the stock is very bullish because of the good range expansion. So the range was not broken just like that. A good build up is made near the resistance for more than a month, and this is considered as most important spot to consider going long. So look at the IRA formation even at this time. So this made the stock very bullish, and now the stock is moving higher and higher. So we can expect the stock around 7,000 very easily, because usually a range bound market will yield a return as same as the length of the range. So let me draw this. So we can consider this as a target. It's very primary target. So it's a good range expansion. So we can expect a good rally in the stock. We can expect a rally after a step of retracement at this price range, or we can expect a straight rally in the stock. So both can happen. It's almost a 10% upside from current market price, and the stock is very bullish for long term also. So by considering Fibonacci levels, let me draw it. So by considering Fibonacci levels, the entry is currently triggered, and one can take 8,175 as a medium term target in the stock. So it's a good stock to go long right now at current market price, and it's very good to hold for long term. The long term in the sense we should hold this stock for years, so it's good for long term. So if you like the video, hit like button. Join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. And finally, thank you for watching our videos.